Hello, Jim Howard here in Fort Worth, Texas. Today it's June 28th, 2012. It's about 10 a.m. in the morning, and the Supreme Court has upheld the Health Care Act, ObamaCare. They ruled that it is constitutional. Um, I have had been blogging about it for the last week or maybe even longer, and I had said several times that I thought the smartest thing and the best thing would just be for the Supreme Court to rule that this is a legislative matter and that it's up for it's up to the legislature to decide on it. I think an awful lot of people thought that the individual mandate would be ruled unconstitutional, but the entire Health Care Act, Obamacare, has been ruled constitutional. I was sitting here doing stuff on my computer, and I had, the browser I had it like CNN page opened up, but I wasn't there, and I had I think the audio down on the TV. Maybe I didn't even have it on, but I finally switched it on, and then I saw I was at CNN, I think headline news, saw the crowd, and then I saw and I turned the volume up, and it said, that the Supreme Court had ruled that the Health Care Act was constitutional, including the mandate by 5-4 decision. Um, so then I went to the browser window that I had open for CNN, and their banner across the top of it was, I forget exactly what the wording was, but that had been ruled on, the Health Care Act had been ruled unconstitutional. What? So I wish I had done a screen save of it. But I refreshed the page, and then of course it had the correct information at the top. A friend of mine sent me an email and said, "Did you see that how CNN messed up?" He said they had that wrong uh, notice up there for 15 minutes that the Healthcare Act had been ruled unconstitutional. Now I blogged about that also, about all the news media, but about CNN specifically also. That all these news media stations now, Fox News has made some big, Numeric, the ex-dictator of Egypt, they ruled that, or Fox News reported that he's dead, he died, and then a little bit later they said he's in a coma, and they just do things. But all of these news networks, they fucking want to get the news first. They want to have that banner. They want to announce it first instead of getting it correct, instead of getting it right. And I'm not sure who's the worst. But CNN is sure not being professional. Uh, I mean, you can make, everybody makes mistakes. I I might have made a mistake once in my life. Uh, but I don't know. I mean, I think all the networks just need to. Somebody at CNN just needs to go in and fire everybody. Just clean the place out. Just walk in, say CNN won't be on the air today, or we'll be running, going to run a movie or something, and just fire everybody. Cameramen, janitors. I mean, just fire fucking the entire building, clean the goddamn place out, and just hire in new people because it is totally screwed up and fucked up. They're not, and I've raved about uh, Fox News. I commented several times. I think it was, of course, I think it was actually a Fox News station when the Columbine, when I can't talk, when the school shooting took place. Now I think it was a local Fox affiliate, not the Fox net, but they were broadcast. The Fox network was broadcasting it. They said, okay, we've got some breaking news. We have an exclusive on this. Some students called us and they're in room 201 on the second floor and they're hiding from the gunman and they've blocked the door and they're afraid they're going to come in. Yeah, they're on the second floor and they're in room 201. I thought, are you fucking crazy? And then I think it was the same station that they had the cameras and they showed, okay, here are some kids or staff trying to escape from the building from the second floor, and they aimed the camera at him. I think the two gunmen had already committed suicide by then, but they didn't know that. The police didn't know it. Anybody, nobody knew it. So these news networks have. That's kind of interesting because of the new show on HBO, the Newsroom. I think it's sort of going to cover these type of things, and it's going to be an interesting show. But I'm really disappointed. I mean, I hate Fox News. I mean, I hate them. But CNN, I can't say that CNN or MSNBC or that any other network is without fault. And all of them are really, what the fuck's wrong with them? I thought these people were journalists. I thought they were professional. They're not. They're amateurs. It's pitiful. Anyway, that's my comments.